Sometimes the file itself is the job. You need to fetch it from somewhere, read what's inside, write a new document, append it to an existing one, or share the result with somebody else. The file block is built for that kind of work. It gives you a set of verbs for handling files as files, while still letting the content inside become data your workflow can use. Let me show you how those pieces fit together. When a workflow needs to work on a file itself, there is a dedicated file block, and its operations are plain verbs you pick from a dropdown. Read returns a file as an object, a small record with an ID, a name, a URL, a size, and a type. Notice what it does not return? The text inside the document is a separate thing, and that distinction organizes everything this block does. So let's put the verbs to work in one workflow that takes a report from the outside world and files a summary. Fetch reaches out to a URL and pulls the file in, wrapped in the same file object as everything else. GetContent takes that object and extracts the text inside, one entry per file. PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, they are all parsed automatically and come back as plain text. From there, the text is just data, and here an agent reads it and writes a summary. Write turns the agent's answer back into a file, a brand new document in your workspace. Append adds to a file that already exists, so every run extends the same running log. Run after run, every document takes the same path, and the workspace keeps what the machine produces. There are housekeeping verbs too. Compress bundles files into a single archive, and decompress unpacks one. Manage sharing turns a file into a link, so what a workflow produces can go straight to a person. The file block is not the only way files move. Agents read files directly, and integrations pass them along on their own. Reach for the file block when the file itself is the work, fetch it, read what is inside, write the result, and keep the record.